Hey everyone, you're watching WisdomShots. I'm sure that most of you watched this movie Apollo 13. The movie tells the story of NASA's aborted moon mission in 1970.
Hey, we've got a problem here.
This is Houston. Say again, please.
Houston, we have a problem.
An explosion in the spaceship's oxygen tanks put the astronauts' lives in danger, forcing the crew to make their way back to Earth without landing on the moon. So, what truly turned the crisis situation around was a question that NASA's Mission Control Director, Gene Kras, asked right after the explosion. He asked, what have you got in that ship that's still good? That's perhaps the best question to ask at a time when everything has gone, really wrong. By asking what have you got in that ship that's good, Mission Control and the Apollo 13 astronauts, they figured out a way to keep everyone on board alive. They made some makeshift arrangements to expel carbon dioxide. If you remember that scene in that movie.
It just isn't a contingency we've remotely looked at.
Those CO2 levels are going to be getting toxic.
Well, I suggest you gentlemen invent a way to put a square peg in a round hole. Rapidly.
Okay, people, listen up. People upstairs handed us this one, and we gotta come through. We gotta find a way to make this fit into the hole for this, using nothing but that. Let's get it organized.
Okay, let's build a filter.
Apollo 13's astronauts survived because Mission Control asked the right question. We too can ask empowering questions to ourselves and our team, during tough situations. Right questions can help us find the strength and solutions we need in difficult times. So learning to ask empowering questions in moments of crisis is a critical skill. And if you look at it, right, thinking is nothing but the process of asking and answering questions to yourself. In a day, we ask hundreds of questions. Even now, you are asking a question to yourself. Should I listen to him or scroll down, right? So while watching this video, if you ask a question like, what can I learn from this guy? You will listen to me in a particular way. On the other hand, if you ask a different question, who is this guy to tell me what to do? You will look at me in a different way, right? So questions can make or break your life, literally. When things go wrong, people ask all kind of lousy questions like why me, why God, why am I like this? And you become a victim. But if you ask empowering questions like how can I turn this around? What's next? What can I learn from this? You get a different response. And those are leadership questions. Questions can make you a leader or a victim. One of the most powerful questions in the history of the world is the question asked by the former president of the US, John F. Kennedy. Ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country. And this powerful question influenced millions of Americans to contribute in some way to the public good. One more famous question by George Bernard Shaw. Some men see things as they are and say, why? I dream of things that never were and say, why not? Beautiful, isn't it? So our brain works like a Google search. If you ask victim questions, your brain will search all the files from the past and tell you why it cannot be done. And you will come up with reasons. But if you ask powerful, empowering questions, your brain will search all the files of your past where you did something incredible and it will tell you that it's possible. And you will get results. Questions are primary way we learn anything. The entire Socratic method of teaching It's based upon the teacher doing nothing but asking questions, directing the students to focus and getting them to come up with their own answers. So this is what even our modern day coaches do, right? All the life coaches, executive coaches, what do? They coach people by asking questions. Best coaches never provide any answers. They facilitate right thinking by asking powerful questions. Even in business, leaders ask questions. Bill Gates asked this question when he started. How can I put a computer on every desk and in every home running my software? As a result, we have Microsoft now. Scientists like Einstein, Edison, Newton, they came up with incredible discoveries and inventions because they asked powerful questions. Even in spirituality, there is an ultimate question. They say if you get answer for that question, you will be enlightened. The question is, who am I? Great teachers ask people to meditate on this question. Who am I? If you really want to change the quality of your life, you should ask great questions to yourself. And these questions direct our focus and therefore how we think and then how we feel. So I want to end with some life-transforming power questions. You can ask these questions every day. I learned this from Tony Robbins. He teaches this in all his seminars. So basically you have to ask these questions every day in the morning and in the evening to yourself. So the morning power questions are, number one, what am I happy about my life right now? What am I proud about my life right now? What am I grateful about my life right now? And evening, before going to bed, you can ask these questions. What have I contributed today? What did I learn today? How has today added to the quality of my life? Powerful questions. Come up with answers and just get associated with it. You and I can change how we feel in an instant, in a heartbeat, by changing our focus and the questions we ask ourselves. Just remember this, and it's not just the questions you ask, but the questions you fail to ask will shape your destiny. So give yourself the gift of right questions. Thank you so much for watching. Stay strong, stay safe.